kids, kindly follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you! Let us now have the part 2 of the measurement, which is measuring volume or the measurement of volume. So we have the given figures. So ito yung mga ginagamit natin sa pagme-measure ng volume. So it's either yung pandilig natin, yung milk, cup, and this soft drink. So kung mapapansin nyo, lahat po ng nagiging laman nila ay liquid. So kapag sinabing liquid, iyon yung tinatawag nating measure of volume. So for the measurement of volume, volume is the amount of space an object contains or occupies. It is often measured in terms of cubic centimeters and the cubic meters. Capacity is used with liquids and is often measured in terms of liter, milliliter, depending on the amount to be measured. Liter is the fundamental unit of volume or capacity in the metric system. So, in this conversion of metric system of measure, when we are talking about the measure of volume, so ito yung mga gagamitin natin. The least or yung pinakamagaan is the milliliter and the heaviest is the kiloliter. So, we will use this given metric system of measure. So, kung mapapansin nyo, tulad lamang siya sa measure of length, ang pagkakaiba lang, yung mga letters na M, because when we are talking about the measure of length, that is the meter, so yung letter M lang sa bawat conversion or bawat unit ay pinalitan ng capital letter L, na kung saan yung L, iyon yung nagre-represent sa liter, which is yung fundamental unit naman ng volume. So, KL is the kilometer, HL is the hectometer, DAL is decaliter, L is for the liter, followed by the deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter. So let us now have the given example. First example, convert the following 0.375 or 0.375 liters is how many in ml or milliliter. So let us use the metric system of measure. So simula sa liter, papunta sa ml. So let us go to the right in how many movements. So kopyahin muna natin yung ating given 0.375. I-move natin yung decimal point. So balik tayo dito sa ating metric system. From liter to ml, 1, 2, 3. So let us move the point in 3 moves, going to the right, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 0.375 liters is equal to 375 milliliters. Second example, 396 liters is how many in kiloliters? Again, let us use the metric system. Copy the given, 396. Palagi po siyang may point sa kanan. So, let us move. Going to the left, 1, 2, 3. So, i-move natin yung point ng 396 na nasa dulong kanan to the left in 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 396 liters is equal to 0.396 kiloliters. Third example, 25.8 decaliter is how many in deciliter? Use the metric system of measure. Copy the given, 25.8. So, simula sa DAL, papunta sa DL. So, pupunta tayo sa kanan. 1, 2. Therefore, let us move the point to the right in 2 units. 1, 2. So, 25.8 decaliter is 2,580 deciliter. Again, kapag may nakita kayong space dito, palagi po siyang lalagyan ng 0. Proceed tayo sa conversion of English system of measure. So, kung kanina, nag-move lang tayo ng point, kapag sinabing metric system, kapag naman sinabing English system, meron na siyang mga equivalent measurements. So, from teaspoon to tablespoon, 3 teaspoons is equal to 1 tablespoon. or ang isang kutsara ay katumbas ng 3 kutsarita. Next, tablespoon to cup. So, 16 tablespoons is equal to 1 cup. O ang isang tasa ay katumbas naman ng 16 na kutsara. Ounce to cup, 8 ounce is equal or 8 ounces is equal to 1 cup. Cup to pint, 2 cups is equal to 1 pint. Pint to quart, 2 pints is equal to 1 quart. And quart to gallon or isang galon, so 4 quarts is equal to 1 gallon. Let's have the first example. Convert the following. Number 1. 24 quarts is how many in gallons? So, kopyahin natin yung given, which is 24 quarts or QT, and then over 1. Palagi po siya may over 1 kasi ang goal natin ay makancel yung unit na quarts. And then multiply, gamitin natin yung ating conversion. So, simula sa quarts, papalitan natin ng gallons. So, alin sa mga pares na ito ang ating gagamitin? Quarts to gallons, quarts to gallons. Okay, yun yung kahulihan. 4 quarts is equal to 1 gallon. Okay, so since ang kailangan nating makancel ay quarts ng numerator, so ilalagay natin ang quarts sa denominator ng pangalawang fraction. So maglagay tayo ng line over 4 quarts and then ang numerator naman ay yung kapartner niya dito which is 1 gallon. So i-cancel na natin ang quarts o ang unit na quarts and then proceed tayo sa multiplication. 24 times 1 gallon is equal to 24 gallons over 1 times 4 is 4. Next is to divide. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Therefore, 24 quarts is equal to 6 gallons. Second example, 30 teaspoons is how many in tablespoons? So, kopyahin natin yung given, 30 teaspoons over 1 times, gamitin natin yung formula or yung mga listahan ng ating English system. So, simula sa teaspoon papunta sa tablespoon, so ano yung gagamitin nating pares? Okay, iyon yung kaunahan. 3 teaspoons is equal to 1 tablespoon. So, since ang given dito ay teaspoon, kailangan natin makancel ang teaspoon. So, dito natin ilalagay sa denominator ang unit na teaspoon. So, over, ang number dito na katabi ng teaspoon ay 3. So, 3 teaspoons sa numerator naman ay 1 tablespoon. So, let us now cancel the unit of teaspoons. So, 30 times 1 tablespoon is 30 tablespoons over 1 times 3 is 3. And then, divide. Therefore, 30 teaspoons is equal to 10 tablespoons. Third example, 8 pints is how many in cups? So, kopyahin natin yung given na 8 pints over 1 times, based on the given formula, ano yung gagamitin natin? Ang given ay pint at ang hinahanap natin ay cups. Okay. Cups to pint or pint to cups. So, ito yung gagamitin nating formula. Okay. Ang katumbas ng isang pint ay 2 cups. So, yung pint na ito or yung 1 pint na ito ay ilalagay natin sa denominator dito. So, maglagay tayo ng over 1 pint. So, ang numerator ay 2 cups. Since ito yung ginamit nating formula. So, i-cancel na natin ang pint. 8 times 2 cups is 16 cups. Over 1 times 1 is 1. So, 16 cups divided by 1 is 16 cups. Therefore, 8 pints is equal to 16 cups. Okay, gamitin na natin ang natutunan natin sa metric system at sa English system when we are measuring the volume. Mary has 7 cartons of milk. Each carton contains 100 milliliters of milk. How much milk does Mary have in all if it will be converted to liters? So, bago natin i-convert ang ml to liters, kailangan muna nating malaman kung gaano ba karaming ml meron si Mary. So, since ang nakalagay dyan is 7 cartons of milk, so let us multiply 7 by 100 milliliters. So, that will be 700 milliliters. Next, ang 700 ay may decimal point dito sa dulong kanan. So, since ang hinahanap na natin ay liters, so i-convert na natin yun sa ml using the metric system. So, from ml to liters. So, let us move 1, 2, 3. So, dito sa 700, since may point dito, i-move natin ang point na iyan to the left in 3 movements. 1, 2, 3. Next, 700 milliliters is now equivalent to 0.700 or 0.7 liters. Second example, Sarah needs to give her daughter 6 teaspoons of syrup for curing her fever. How much is it in tablespoons? So, the given is 6 teaspoons at kailangan nating malaman kung gaano ba karami ang 6 teaspoons sa tablespoons. So, let us divide 6 teaspoon by 1, multiplied it by the pair. So, ang hinahanap natin ay teaspoon to tablespoon, so gamitin natin yung unang pares. I-cancel natin ang teaspoon dito by writing the 3 teaspoon here on the denominator. So, that will be 3 teaspoon and the numerator will be 1 tablespoon. Cancel the unit of teaspoon, multiply. 6 times 1 tablespoon is 6 tablespoons over 1 times 3 is 3. 6 tablespoon is over 3 is equal to 2 tablespoons. Therefore, 6 teaspoons is equal to 2 tablespoons. So let us now summarize. In metric conversion, you just have to move the decimal places, but be sure that you know the correct sequence of each unit. In English conversion, you have to determine the equivalent of every unit to the other unit, then use the multiplication and division operations. So thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Enjoy learning mathematics. God bless us all!